If Canada is to succeed at delaying the outbreak and flattening the epidemic curve, we will all need to bring our best game. And
that game's playbook is all about keeping people apart, as well as locating and isolating the sick and protecting the vulnerable.
We probably could have done this earlier. We could have probably been more consistent.
David Buckridge says these measures are necessary and effective, but things will get worse before they get better.
In the next 2 weeks, even though we put in place these control measures, we're going to see an increase in the number of confirmed cases and probably an increase in the number of severe cases.
It doesn't mean it isn't working. It takes time to see the results. And there's another factor too, the return of Canadians from abroad.
We have people in Ontario and in Canada doing things that are going to help curb transmission, but then we still have this influx of travelers who are coming from places where there may be uncontrolled spread. Just because we're not seeing immediate effect doesn't mean that what we're doing isn't having an impact.
This epidemiologist says the federal government needs to do more. Close the border to U.S. citizens too, for one. He says officials also need to work harder to get the message out. TV ads and social media messaging with clear, memorable language.
When people are panicking, it's very hard for them to absorb detailed information about how they should behave and so on and so forth. I'd love to see a campaign of bumper stickers and buttons and whatever to say, cough in your arm, do no harm.
A simple message that could have a big impact on that all-important curve. Magda Gebrselassie, CBC News, Toronto.